Hello traders, welcome back to a brand new video. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you the simplest way you can scalp around the market and be able to make quick money in the forex market. As most of you guys know that scalping is one of the quickest way, but if you can be able to scalp up in a good way and then your trade is a risk-free trade, guys, you can be able to make money from the forex market. So today guys, I was able to take a trade, though I didn't stay into that trade for a long time, but I made some money out of it. And then yeah guys, so I took this trade on the gold pair. So most of you know gold is very volatile, and one of the best pairs to trade or to scalp up is gold. But what helped me traders, it is knowing about price action. Price action is a wide concept, but one of the concepts in price action is forex patterns. So I was able to identify a pattern and then apply some little bit of support and resistance, or what other people call demand and supply and everything. So guys, I'm going to be explaining to you today, but I took the trade around this level here. So right now this may confuse you, but I'm going to break it down for you on my trading view so that you can be able to understand it and then know why this is the best scalping strategy, hands down guys. So let's go to my trading view. So this is my trading view right here, as you can see. So guys, I took this trade before I headed to the gym. I took this trade and I was even like really just teaching someone how we scalp up with them. Because I told them like, guy, look, I'm going to make this amount of money in just a short period of time. And then boom, I made that money. But again, this was off this same strategy. So I first moved my Fibonacci retracement, and I'm just going to leave my chart like this. So the first thing guys, is I drew the trend line. I had first draw this trend line. You see, I had this trend line here, and I'm doing this all on a 1 minute time frame. Since I'm scalping, I want to work with a time frame where there is too much noise. So I drew out this trend line connecting this level and this level to down here. So what I had price, I had this impulsive move to the downside like this. So price was currently trading around this time here. So what I wanted price to come back into this same zone here, and either, since I was scalping, so I wanted price to come back into the same zone here and then come back to my trend line and reject here. Oh, I see a breakout and retest. I see a breakout and retest, and that's the same thing that happened. But guys, this is how it happened. So first of all, we had price, giving us this impulsive move, and then it retraced up to this level here. So what I did, I applied my Fibonacci from here to here, and I saw that price had reached the 50 level here, and price didn't. Actually, price reached the 38 level and price didn't suppress this level right here. So what I was thinking in my head, okay, maybe price can push back up to like 50 level, then it can go back down since we have a trend line here. But again, you should always expect anything when you're trading with small time frames. So since now I had price giving me this impulsive, then it stopped here, and then price came back here. So when price came back here the first time, so I had a double bottom. So this is a double bottom. Then now what surprised me was price coming back to this same level right here, and this is where I took the trade. But again guys, the reason why price stopped at this level, first of all, this is a demand zone. This is a demand zone. Even though I put an indicator for you guys, you're going to see that this is a demand zone. Let's put an indicator. So there's some indicators that I use. These are all indicators that I use. So when I put demand and supply, you're going to see that this is a demand zone right there. You can see guys, they have written it there. It's here, you see, demand zone. So meaning this was a strong level for us to see, price pushing back to the upper side. But even from even just there, guys, you see where we have let me try to zoom out so that you can see. And again, this is also a turning point. You can see when price reached here, it's a turning point for that part. And then let's see, yeah, that was a turning point for here. So meaning we expected price to push even more. Even though I change my time frame and go to the 4-hour time frame, you're going to see that we even had a stronger confirmation on the so this is what we have. So if I zoom in guys, you can see, so we had this impulsive to the upper side. As you can see, this is a very big impulsive, and then this is where we had price come in. So this is where guys we had price come in. This was like, let's say, a mere retracement. So if I apply my Fibonacci, let's say from here to up here to up there, You can see price didn't cross over to this small level here, so meaning we just had a support and resistance like this. So we just had mere support and resistance in here and this level right here. But when price came back to the same level, as you can see guys, with this candle right here, price came back to the same level, just pulled back, and then, you know, price was automatically going back up. But again, let's go back to the smaller time frame, since we are scalping. So guys, we are scalping. So guys, now this is now the key thing that you have to master. First of all, you need to master all price action signals. You should master all price action patterns, all forex patterns on your fingertips. Now, when price came here, 1, 2, 3, when price forms a triple bottom is a reversal pattern to the upper side. That is what made me now want to take this trade. Guys, remember when I was scalping, when price had not yet formed this, I was either waiting for price to bounce off here and then take my sell trade, or I was waiting for price to break my trend line and then take my trade to the upper side, scalping. But guys, look, price gave me a triple bottom, 1, 2, 3. I didn't even think again. A triple bottom always does this. It does the same thing. I'll show you right here. So you can see this is a triple bottom. You can see triple bottom. Guys, look. A triple bottom, you need to have a downtrend market, you see? The downtrend market is here. Something here. You see? Downtrend market. Let's go back this side. You see? Market is in the downtrend. Then we have price forming 3 bottoms. 1, 2, 3. Look, guys. 1, 2, 3. And then we only have 2 tops. 1, 2. Something here. 1, 2. Wait. Yeah, you can see. 1, 2. And then we need to have a breakout. So now let's say we had now where the breakout, where we expect the breakout was now this trend line. Now we are left with this. So I took my trade down here. I took my trade down there and put my stop loss just below here, because I knew price wouldn't suppress anywhere in this pattern. Now look, whenever you have this triple bottom, price has to push back up here, breakout, and then you can see price pushed back into this level right here. The same exact thing, guys, you can see. Same exact thing. Triple bottom, 1, 2, 3. And then when price broke my trend line like this, all I needed was a retracement, and then we pushed back to the upper side. So I had taken my trade down here. Guys. You can see I took my trade down here, and my target, first of all, my target was up here at this level right here. So I took my target out here, and I was out of the market with a risk-free trade. I took out something like 60 pips, you know. I took out something like 60 pips, you know, from down here to here, and then I had like a nice 360 reward trade, guys. But guys, look what happened after. Look, when I zoom out, price went up crazy. Look, price went up crazy, guys. I don't even know how many pips are these, but this just blew up my mind. The reason why I came out at this level right here is because, guys, I was going to gym. I was going to the fucking gym. Oh, I'm sorry for my bad language. I was going to the gym. You can see price has gone up mad. Oh my goodness. You can see, guys, this is the triple bottom I'm talking about. 1, 2, 3, and then we have a breakout here. Let's say if we had our trend line here, then the breakout retest, and price has gone up. Oh my goodness, guys. We always miss such nice setups in the market. I had the setup. I didn't even share it in the signal group because this was a scalping trade. I don't like really to scalp, but today, since I was teaching someone, but again, hopefully, guys, I caught this, and then I was like, okay, maybe next time I'll try scalping again after learning this. So guys, I wanted to share with you this so that you can know that scalping is very easy as long as you are applying risk management. You see, my entry was here, and my stop loss was just down here on this other part here, and then my profits were open since now price had broken up this level and then retested, and then, you know, it came into this level. So I put my target here, since you can even see when price reached here and then it consolidated a little before shooting back up. Guys, I think this is even more than 200 pips. I think this is even more than 200 pips. So if you had entered this trade scalping, you would end up swing trading and holding long term. You see, you would end up swinging this trade to the upper side, and you're just moving, tailing your stop loss. Traders, the key factor in this video is always master these forex patterns. This forex pattern, this triple bottom, it just came into my head and I was like, this is this pattern, because I knew it on my fingertips. But if I didn't know this on my fingertips, I would still be gambling with this market, you know, betting, is it coming down, is it going down, or is it coming back up, you know. So guys, always master all this price action. Guys, this is price action, you know, this is pure price action. Even though we added demand and supply, but again, even though you don't add demand and supply, this is just the support level right here. Whenever we have support, guys, this is where buyers are coming in. That's why you see buyer coming in here, again buyers coming in there, again buyers coming in there. But again, look, you see these V-shaped structures, those are smart money structure. Yes, you know, smart money is the market. But again, this is a 1 minute time frame. Guys, this is the best strategy, hands down. The moment you see a pattern like this, oh my goodness, guys, I'm so hyped up. I missed out on this big move right here. This would be the move of the month. I would be taking home almost $20,000 if I had kept on holding my trade up to here. But again, guys, always these opportunities come back to us. Whatever is happening in the market always comes back to us. But again, guys, I hope you have enjoyed that video. I'll go through this again. First thing, guys, what first thing you're doing is definitely drawing the trend of the market. The trend of the market, me, I had, you know, if you're trending with the trend, guys, things become easier. So me, I identified this simple trend here, this small downtrend. Then since price had bounced off from here, so it had to shoot down and then, you know, try and retrace. But again, in this retracement, as it was trying to retrace, it formed a triple bottom, and I was able to take my trades, and then also being able to identify the supply zone down there. I mean the demand zone right here, so it helped me know, okay, price is supposed to shoot back up. But again, guys, we use these simple concepts. I hope you have enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We are bringing in more and more fire trades, guys. As I told you, whatever trade that I'm taking, guys, I have to make sure to share with you this information. And the reason why I'm doing this on my phone is because most of you are using your phones to trade in the market, so that's why I'm also using my phone, guys. You can even see we had a double top right up here. See, double top, so meaning you have a neckline right here. You see price breaks the neckline, reaches the neckline, and then you see price shoots down. You can see price shoots down, guys. So forex patterns work on smaller time frames, but again, I don't really trust smaller time frames since we have too much noise there. But again, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, and peace.